Indonesia, a land of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and resilient people. But for many, the beauty of this world fades due to debilitating eye conditions like glaucoma, retinal detachment, or optic nerve atrophy. At Stem Cell Care India, we are here to bring back clarity to your world. Every year, patients from Indonesia seek advanced treatments to regain their vision. Our specialized stem cell therapy is designed to treat complex conditions such as age-related macular degeneration, retinitis pigmentosa, and even optic neuropathy. At Stem Cell Care India, we offer cutting-edge medical expertise and unmatched care for our Indonesian patients, providing customized treatment plans, tailored visa assistance, complimentary airport pickup, local support, and multilingual services, including Indonesian interpreters. Our therapies are performed in internationally accredited hospitals, ensuring world-class care. By harnessing the regenerative power of stem cells, we address eye conditions like retinopathy, septo-optic dysplasia, and severe eye injuries, helping our patients reclaim their independence and quality of life. For our Indonesian friends, Stem Cell Care India is more than a medical provider. We are a partner in your journey to healing. With a dedicated guest relation officer assigned to every patient, we ensure that your experience is smooth, comfortable, and worry-free. Don't let eye diseases cloud your world. Let Stem Cell Care India light the path to clearer vision. Reach out to us today and begin your journey toward a brighter tomorrow.